in the heart of the Congo Basin, researcher Elias carefully parted the dense foliage, his keen eyes scanning the forest floor. Beneath a tangle of leaves, he found Ida's speckled egg, barely the size of his palm. His heart pounded. The Congo Peafowl, a rare and elusive species, needed protection, and this egg was a fragile promise of survival. Gently lifting it, Elias examined the delicate shell, feeling the warmth of life within. He hurried back to the conservation lab, placing it inside a temperature-controlled incubator. Days turned into weeks, and then, one morning, a faint tapping echoed inside the chamber. The egg trembled. Tiny cracks splintered its surface. With slow, determined movements, the chick broke through, its damp feathers clinging to its fragile body. Elias cupped the newborn in his hands, its warmth barely perceptible. "You've made it," he whispered, his voice filled with relief. Under the glow of a heating lamp, the chick stirred, letting out its first tiny peep. Days passed, and the chick grew stronger. It took its first wobbly steps, stumbling but determined. Elias fed it carefully, watching as its appetite and strength flourished. Soon, soft brown feathers darkened, hints of shimmering blues and greens emerging. As the peafowl matured, Elias introduced it to an outdoor enclosure. It hesitated at first, uncertain of the vast open space. Then, with an excited flap, it leaped forward, testing its wings. The day it finally lifted off the ground, even for a moment, Elias cheered. Months later, the peafowl stood before him, fully grown, its iridescent plumage gleaming in the sunlight. It perched on his arm, eyes locking onto his with unspoken trust. Then, as if sensing its purpose, it stepped forward into the jungle reserve, walking freely beside its rescuer. Elias smiled, knowing he had given it the chance to thrive. In the depths of the Congo, one more peafowl now roamed, a testament to resilience, care, and the delicate balance of nature.